Hello guys, welcome back to another review. This time the review it's about a paint set from Mig Jimenez. This is a Novorossiya colors, okay? This is the colors from the at the beginning of Novorossiya, okay? This set it brings 6 different colors, okay? And let me show you here on the back. You can see for lots of difference, okay? You can use it for the BTRs, for the your BMPs and other tanks, okay? And this is a nice set. Because this is for me it's a Russian month, I'm going to use some of colors this in my BMP3, okay? And so I'm going to show you what is inside, okay? And we got here the colors. Let me check a little, okay? And you can see the colors they put on the set, okay? It's this one, the protective NC 1200. It's the 053. They give you this signal green, the 054 also brings this. This is the Russian base green, okay? This is the 9032. They give you the medium brown 017, the gray shine 911, and these two, the yellow gray, the 067. This is all good colors for this. This set don't bring any instructions, but you will see it's going to be very useful if you are making new standard Russian tanks or vehicles, okay? So I'm going to, as always, make paint this on spoons, and let's go to my spray booth and spray it right away, okay? So guys, now in my paint booth I got the 6 spoons, and today I painted it black, okay? I want to see more clear because they are here more clear colors, okay? So the first one, it's going to be this, the protective NC 1200, okay? So let me shake this real good, and I'm going to use this new airbrush, okay? And I'm going only put 1 drop of this. Okay, so let's begin. I'm shaking, mixing color inside, okay? And so let's grab the first one and paint it. Like I do in all my videos, only 3 drops, and as you can see the color, it's nice. So this is the one, the first one. And now let's go to the other. Second one is going to be this signal green, sorry, 054. And let's see how this went. Okay. This is very greenish, this color. This is a mix 75, okay, 25%. It's a real color, very attractive. So let's begin painting this. And I got to say, I like very much this new airbrush. Okay, okay. It's very, very beautiful, this color. I like it. As you can see already the difference of one of another. So I'm sorry about the battery. I replaced the battery, so let's go and do the other color. Okay. I will show this better with a photograph. Okay, this green turns out feel nice. So the next color we got here, it's the yellow gray. Okay, this is the 057, and let's shake it real good. And I will tell you why I like to have this make on spoons. I like to make this on spoons because when I want to see a real color, the best way to see it, it's on a spoon or somewhere where you paint it. In this I make like this. I put this on spoons and I make the numbers, okay, and I store it, and when I want to see it, I'm going to see the colors, okay. One of the things you make do, it's coat with a varnish, with a matte varnish, okay. You don't want to make any change of color, okay. So let's go and see the other color. I'm just mixing here. Okay, done. And let's paint it. This is already start coming to see. This is that great brown for camouflages. As you can see, it's really good brown. Okay, so the yellow gray it's gray brown, yellow. It's real good. So let me put some water in here because we want to go to other color. Okay, now we are going to medium brown. Okay, this is the 17 color in the Mig chart, and as you can see, the colors of this, it's very wide range. It drops, and one of these here in the middle. So let me mix this just a little. Okay, now let's grab the spoon and let's start painting. Great color. Like middle of the chocolates and coffee brown. Okay, very nice brown. This is another great for camouflages too. I like it. Let me clean the brush. And I'm using a 02 needle on this airbrush, and you can see it's flow real well, this paint. Okay, now it's time for the gray shine. Okay, this is the 911. It's very bright color. Okay, so let's go start painting this, and let's see how it went, this color. So as you can see, I am not thin these paints with any thinner. I'm only using airbrush glue improver. Okay, and you can see it's a nice color, and you can see when I put here the contrast with others. Okay, and now guys, the last one from this set, it's going to be the Russian base. I know some of you guys know this color. It's a great one Normally when I do the color modulation, this is my base color on any of my green vehicles from Russia, and I love this green. But I want you to see the set. Okay, so let's paint this green. Here we'll put it some this, and as you can see, it's turned great, this color. Okay, this is very good, this color, I love it. The Russian green base, the 932. So guys, let's go to the bench and talk and see more of this. So guys, back again on my bench. As you can see, this is the colors of the Novorossiya colors. Okay, this a very good kit and set to have in your rack because of these wonderful colors. I will take a picture of each one of these colors, okay, and I will put you on the video for you to see. So one more time, you got the yellow gray, the signal green, the protective NC 1200, the Russian base, great shine, and the medium brown. This is the range of colors you can get on this set. I advise, it's a lovely set of colors so you have on the rack. So guys, thanks for watching. If you have any question, don't bother ask me, okay? So guys, thank you very much for watching, and we see you again.